Welcome to Best Cars Review, where classics come alive in the most stunning detail. Today, we're diving into an absolute masterpiece, the 1954 Chevrolet SS427, dressed in a jaw-dropping aqua cream white finish. If vintage muscle cars make your heart race, this one's going to blow your mind. Let's start with that exterior. From the first glance, this 54 SS427 commands attention. The aqua cream white paint job isn't just rare, it's radiant. The glossy finish reflects like a mirror under sunlight, making every curve and line pop. The classic chrome bumpers, deep-set headlights, and wide grille speak pure American muscle, while the smooth, flowing body lines give it an elegant, almost luxurious profile. It's vintage, but bold. Now swing around to the side. Whitewall. Tires wrap the chrome wheels, and that long, low stance makes it look ready to eat the road alive. The iconic SS badging and detailed trim work along the doors are not just touches, they're statements. Moving inside, the interior is a time machine. Cream white leather seats with aqua stitching feel as premium as they look. The dashboard is pure nostalgia. Analog gauges with deep chrome bezels, a retro radio unit, and a steering wheel that takes you straight back to the golden era of muscle. The chrome accents shine across the door panels, gear selector, and vents, giving the cabin a perfect mix of elegance and muscle DNA. Let's talk about the dashboard view. Sitting in the driver's seat, the layout feels commanding. You've got clear visibility of those vintage gauges, a smooth chrome-rimmed steering wheel with that classic Chevrolet logo, and a long hood stretching ahead. It's a view every car lover dreams of. But now, let's lift the hood, and here it is, the beast itself. A massive 427 cubic inch V8 engine, meticulously restored and gleaming with chrome valve covers, polished intake manifold, and detailed wiring. The engine bay is spotless. The inner hood is painted in matching aqua cream white, tying the whole look together. And when this thing roars to life, it's thunder on wheels. Out on the road, the SS427 is surprisingly smooth for a car this powerful and vintage. The engine pulls strong, the transmission shifts like butter, and the exhaust note? Pure muscle, deep, throaty, and raw. The steering feels old-school heavy, but that only adds to the charm. It's not a car you just drive. It's a car you experience. In every way, looks, performance, presence, the 1954 Chevrolet SS427 in aqua cream white is a rolling piece of art. Whether you're showing it, cruising it, or just admiring it, this car defines timeless American power and style. If you enjoyed this full-angle breakdown, make sure to follow Best Cars Review, where every classic is more than just a machine. It's a story on wheels.